Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have materials, act now. Place the cup rim down and mark a center line from rim to base. Using the ruler, measure and mark 1/2 to 1 from the rim for the mouthpiece slot. This controls pitch and comfort. Carefully cut a straight slit along that mark. A clean edge avoids air leaks. Once done, insert the straw or skewer to form the bore guide, aligning it with the center line so airflow stays straight and steady for a clear tone. Now shape the mouthpiece windway. Make a shallow diagonal cut to create an edge the air will split against. Smoothing prevents turbulence and rough sound. Next, mark 3 to 6 tone holes evenly along the bore. Spacing affects scale and intonation. Punch small starter holes, then test pitch and enlarge incrementally. Larger holes raise pitch. As you work, make sure to keep the bore straight and the edges clean so finger sealing and tuning respond predictably, producing consistent notes. Finish by tuning. Play and cover holes to check intervals, trimming hole sizes to raise pitch or smoothing edges to lower harshness. Seal any visible gaps between inserted bore and cup with tape or a thin bead of glue to prevent air leaks that weaken tone. If the sound is airy, make the windway slightly narrower or smooth the splitter edge. If too quiet, open the windway a hair. Once tuned, secure loose parts and recheck pitch. Small tweaks quickly improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.